Are you okay? Video or picture? Maggie, over here. Maggie.
Run.
Did you get out of the trash can today? Skya, I know it's delicious, but you need... Skya, yes, it is dangerous. You shouldn't be eating chicken wings out of the trash. Skya, I heard you were a little princess. It's true? Show me. So elegant, so elegant. You are a princess. Okay, good girl, you got it. Press it once. Oh. Good girl. So demanding. Skya! Jeez. You are one demanding little girl. Skya, are you trying to open the advent calendar without me? Skya! Well, today's day 9. Are you ready? Okay, let's open it. Skya, I didn't even touch it yet. Skya, it's another goat cheese. What? You don't want the goat cheese? But that's what the advent calendar is filled with. Skya, well, you want the other treats? I thought you thought they were bad. Okay, well, no cheese for you then. You want it still? This one's a triple cream ripened cheese. So I guess you like the cheese. But you still want the other treats too? Skya. Skya, do you want to learn how to play piano? Yeah, you do? You put your paw here. Yeah, good girl. You're good. You're very good at this, Skya. I'm so proud of you.
Is he going Bobies on you? Is he going Bobies? Is he going Bobies?
you want to go to the park? Let's go then. Come on, let's go get your leash.
I did. John, do you know Inspector House test?
You're gonna have to talk to him.
Be serious.
Moira, one bad review could sink this hotel. We had 4 good reviews.
You done?
And this just brought...
What's up, girl? What do you want? What did I do to you guys? It's too early for this. Ow! What's going? You too? Hey, get down! I don't have any biscuits or pancakes. I don't know. What do you want me to do? Do you want to go outside? Yeah? Okay, come on. We'll take you outside. Let's go.
Someone's a little bit mad at me today. Yeah, I know you're mad. Because we went to Starbucks for a puppuccino, and they were out of whipped cream, and apparently it's my fault. It's not my fault.
Then I go, ooh.